Oh, we got this Drz400 today in because the charging system's not charging. He's put in 3 batteries now and the batteries keep going dead. So we're gonna go over this and see if we can figure out what the issue is. He thinks it's the stator, so it could be right. We're gonna find out. So come on. And with the bike running, we're in 5 volts, a little less than 5 volts across the battery. So he might be right about that stator. Let's get a little deeper. And testing the stator, got 1.2 ohms on each of the leads. I'm not 100% sure what the specification is. I'll have to look it up to see how far off we are. But that's what it is at the stator. Okay, now that we know that the stator is good, it's all within spec, I came to the regulator rectifier, and this is the reading that I'm getting for ohms, which is way off. And let's do this lead here. See, and then the other leads I'm getting 0.8, which is within tolerance. It's right around 0.1, and the other lead is a 0.78. But then that other, the first lead we tested was 207. So luckily, I happen to have a spare one, so I put that on, and now we're going to check the battery voltage now that it's all together. This one ohmed out at 0.2 on all 3 leads.